Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you actually have YouTube Premium. Open the YouTube app and sign into the account tied to your subscription so features sync. Once signed in, tap your profile, then Purchases and Memberships to verify Premium appears. Make sure in settings that background play is set to always or headphones so audio keeps playing. This step links account status to device behavior so features become available immediately. Next, download content and enable background playback so you can use features while multitasking. Tap a video, hit download, and pick quality. Downloaded items store in library right arrow downloads. Then go to settings right arrow background and downloads and set background play to always. This lets audio continue when you leave the app. Also enable smart downloads to keep a fresh offline queue automatically, which saves space and ensures you always have recent videos available without manual management. To finish, verify ad-free playback and picture-in-picture are working. Start a video and swipe home to trigger Pi-P, or enable it in iOS settings right arrow general right arrow picture-in-picture. If you still see ads or lose background play, update the YouTube app first, then sign out and sign in again to refresh entitlement tokens. If problems persist, clear app cache or reinstall. These steps resolve most sync issues, so your premium features function reliably on your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.